Hey guys, it's Vanity, and today I have a no makeup tutorial for you all. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer brow pencil, and I'm just going to brush through my brows with my spoolie, that way they are easier to shape. Now I'm going to start at the end of my brow and I'm going to create the shape, and I'm slowly just going to go in and fill in any spaces that may be in my brow. I'm going to do this with a light hand, of course. I'm just going to go building up the shape as I go through. Now I'm going to go through with my spoolie and just spread out that product so that it does not look very harsh. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, just build the shape up from the tail end and go filling in my brows. Now just going in with my spoolie to make my brows look softer. And that is the final look. Now I'm going to go in with my Fit Me powder foundation from Maybelline in the color Sun Beige. And I'm just going to use this AOA brush I got from Shop Miss A. It's a fluffy foundation brush to apply it. And I'm going to apply it in circular motions, slowly building up the color. This is a medium coverage foundation, by the way. What I really like about this foundation is that I can apply how much I want, whether it's a light application or a heavier application. And as you can see, I'm just making sure I apply it all over my face. Now all over my forehead. Also on my eyes, I won't be applying anything else on my eyes because I want to keep this look as natural looking as possible. I'm going to go in with my NYX Badunkadunk mascara. And I'm just going to apply it on my lashes. The way I like to do it is to press the brush up to my lashes and I would blink into the brush itself. I feel like this gives me the best results. And I'm just going to add a few layers. And that is how it looks. That's the difference between my eyes. And now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. For blush, I'm going to use this Bare Minerals blush. And I'm going to use this fluffy brush to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. I like this blush because a little bit goes a long way. And I'm just going to continue to blend it out until it's blended fully. And I'm going to apply that on the other side, just very light because I don't want it to be very noticeable. Just add a little bit of color to my face. Now I'm going to use this NARS lip gloss. It's a very light pink lip gloss. Of course, all of the details on these products will be in the description box. And this is the final result. Very simple, no makeup look. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on IG, HeyVanity21. Thank you.